Let's review Strength Cure by Pureology. In today's film, we are going to be reviewing, testing out, and trying out Strength Cure by Pureology. So if you want to find out more about this product, what it does, if it's good or if it's a heap of dirt, then you better keep on watching. What is this story, everyone? Yet another Pureology review, and there is no secret that I do love Pureology. And in this film, we are reviewing Strength Cure. There's also Strength Cure Blonde, and if you'd like me to review that one, and Strength Cure Blonde is a purple base Strength Cure. If you'd like me to review that, please let me know in the comment section down below. But before we're gonna get into this review, who am I? I'm Mike. I'm who? I'm a hairdresser with 15 years of experience, a L'Oreal color specialist, a makeup fan, and a skincare lover. So you guys, Strength Cure is the protein smoothie for your damaged hair. So it is packed with protein and it's going to fortify and repair damaged hair. It will also prevent the hair from future damage, and it is 100% vegan formula, and Pureology is made out of 90% PCR. It is free from sulfates, parabens and mineral oils, and the magic behind Pureology is that it is perfect for color treated hair. So you guys, with no further ado, let me present you with product number 1. Strength Cure Shampoo by Pureology. In this product, we do get 266 mils of product, which is 9 fluid ounces, and this product retails for €18.45. Strength Cure Shampoo is perfect for damaged and color treated hair, and like that, it's going to fortify and strengthen our damaged hair and prevent it for future breakage. So this product is perfect for anyone that hair is internally damaged, because like that, it is packed with protein. So it contains protein, which means protein is going to strengthen our hair. So as we all know, if our hair is sensitized, like my hair, because it has been bleached and over processed, Strength Cure is the hair care range for me. It is also good for hair that's been damaged due to styling, natural tear and wear, and obviously over processing. And like that, it's not only going to fortify and strengthen our hair, but it's going to add beautiful shine and softness to our hair. Right, you guys, the magic behind Pureology, obviously Pureology is a very concentrated formula, and you guys, out of this shampoo, you are supposed to get 75 washes or more, because as Pureology says, see that little symbol over here? This is the amount of shampoo you're supposed to use for your whole head and conditioner. And you guys, I've used Pureology before. It is one of my favorite brands and it lasts you forever. So let's smell it and then let's talk about the active ingredients. So first I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna see what's inside. It is the shampoo, and I'm just gonna pour a tiny bit of that on my hand. It smells absolutely beautiful. It is nice and fruity. I think we're getting like a nice berry extract. Yeah, I think it is berry. It's beautiful, and like that, as you can see, the formula is nice and creamy. So let's talk about the active ingredients in Strength Cure. The two main active ingredients in Strength Cure is carivis, which is a plant-based protein which is going to strengthen or weaken hair. Astaxanthin, which is an antioxidant, works to heal and repair or damaged hair. So like that, this antioxidant is going to heal our hair and is going to heal our hair strands. And obviously we do have the whole Pureology anti-fade complex to protect our hair color, but like that, we do have protein. So protein is our main active ingredient. So we know that protein over processed hair, we need to strengthen that hair. But before we're going to try it out on my channel, let's talk about the next product. Strength Cure Conditioner by Pureology. In this product, we also get 266 mils of product, which is night fluid ounces, and this product retails for €20.95. So this is a conditioner that goes hand in hand with this shampoo, and like that, it is perfect for damaged, over processed and tired hair. It's going to strengthen, heal and nourish our hair, and it's going to add beautiful softness and shine to our damaged and weakened hair. It will fortify strands that are prone to breakage, and like that, it's going to stop our hair from future breakage. So this whole hair care range is for hair that is damaged. So hair that's been bleached, hair that's been over processed, hair that's been damage from styling, and also from natural damage like wear and tear, so like wearing in tight bobbins, etc, etc. So before we're going to shampoo my hair and test it out on my over processed hair, let's try this out and let's see what the formulation is like. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to pour it on my hand. And like that, you guys, same thing goes. We only need a tiny bit. So we're meant to get 75 washes plus when we use Pureology. So I mean, we do get value for our money. And that's the magic behind professional hair care. So let's feel the formula first. Do you know what? It's nice and creamy, gel-like consistency, not too heavy. It feels actually quite comfortable. And like that, we're getting that beautiful raspberry. It's definitely raspberry or strawberry scent. And as you can see, it is quite creamy. So you guys, what am I going to do is I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to shampoo my hair using Strength Cure shampoo for damaged hair, follow up by the conditioner. We're going to come back. I'm going to give you my thoughts, and then we're going to find out if Strength Cure by Pureology is good or if it's a heap of dirt. Right, you guys, and I am back after shampooing and conditioning my hair using Strength Cure by Pureology. So you guys, what can I tell you? I can tell you that Pureology have not missed the mark, as always. Now, you guys, Pureology is one of those brands that you can rely on. And what can I tell you? When I shampooed my hair, it done exactly what a protein-based shampoo should have done. So it did not make my hair feel soft. Because what? Protein strengthens hair that's been sensitized. So obviously my hair didn't feel too soft when I was shampooing it, because protein makes what? The hair hard, because it strengthens it. But when I put the conditioner, you guys, oh my god, my hair feels absolutely glorious. It feels amazing. The product feels absolutely beautiful and comfortable on my scalp. The hair does feel good. It does feel strong. Does it feel soft? Not 100%, because like that is the strengthening product, not a softening, nourishing product. Because what? Protein is going to strengthen your hair, and anything that's nourishing and moisturizing is going to add that softness. So think of it this way. Before I'm going to dry off my hair, I'm going to apply obviously my favorite LookFantastic 21 Benefits, which I absolutely adore, and I'm running out of it. So you guys, what am I going to do is I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to quickly dry off my hair. We're going to come back and we're going to talk about Pureology's Strength Cure. Right, you guys, and my hair is dry. So what can I tell you? My hair feels like a cloud. It feels absolutely beautiful. It feels really soft. It feels really strong. I mean, the shine is incredible, and overall it feels good. Please do not judge my color and my cut. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. But overall, my hair does feel amazing. Actually feels really good. It actually feels really good. Now, it does feel absolutely brilliant. Now when I'm feeling my hair, I'm nearly... I know I keep saying that, but I nearly feel like this is the best my hair felt in a very long time. But I'm definitely getting what I'm supposed to get. Right, you guys, so when it comes to... why do I look so surprised and shocked? Now, you guys, when it comes to Strength Cure shampoo and conditioner by Pureology, this hair care range is brilliant for hair that is over-processed, hair that is damaged, hair that has been bleached, hair that has been highlighted. So it's not necessarily for hair that needs nourishment, so dry hair, naturally dry hair. If you have naturally dry hair and you want to go with Pureology's, get something like Hydrate. Hydrate is quite good. I did review Hydrate Sheer, which is basically Hydrate but for fine hair. But when it comes to Strength Cure, this is basically for damaged hair that has lost its elasticity. So overall, when it comes to Strength Cure by Pureology, this is not a heap of dirt. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film interesting, helpful, and useful. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my other social media. And of course, you guys, please do what? Do take care. Bye.